Good day. Today we're going to talk about the social distancing aspect of this whole coronavirus scare. Now, social distancing is about that 1.8 meters or 6 feet that we should keep from others in order to keep from transmitting the virus to them or catching the virus from someone else. Now, no matter what you're doing, who you're hanging out with, where you are, you should always try to keep that respectful 6 feet distance. Now, today I'm hanging out with my dog. She's going to help us understand this whole 6 feet thing. She's very well behaved, so I'm sure she's going to keep that respectful distance. All right, well, it's a little too close. A little too close. Okay, oh, wait, no, too close. Too close. Too close. All right, okay, now, see? She's keeping that 6 feet. Very good. Excellent. So even I'm way over here, she's keeping that 6 feet distance. Very smart dog. If she can figure it out, we can all figure it out. I'm teaching my dog to wash her hands properly. Too short. That was too short. Hi again. Today, my dog is going to help us understand what do you do when you came into contact with someone who tested positive for COVID-19, and now we're starting to feel some very mild symptoms ourselves. Mako, what do you do? What do you do? Where do you go? Oh, you're going to isolate yourself. Very good girl. If my dog can figure it out, I'm sure we can too. Today, my dog is going to show you what to do if you think you've been exposed to the coronavirus. Mako, crate. Oh goodness, are you okay? Are you okay? Good girl. Good girl.